to make Google Chrome your default browser. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Settings and then click on Apps. You'll find Default Apps on left side of your screen. Simply click on Default and scroll down. You'll find Web Browser option. As you can see, it's now in Microsoft Edge. Simply click on it and then click on Google Chrome. As you can see, default app of web browser is Google Chrome and not Microsoft Edge. After this, you're good to go. Simply refresh your device or restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to make Google Chrome your default browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.